नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का दिव्यांश पृथ्वी यूट्यूब चैनल पे। दोस्तों आज मैं एक डिक्टेशन बोलूँगा। वो डिक्टेशन की स्पीड ऑलमोस्ट 80 वर्ड पर मिनट के आसपास रहेगी। लास्ट टाइम काफ़ी लोगों को ये कंप्लेंट थी कि स्पीड काफ़ी स्लो थी। तो देखिए दोस्तों, अगर स्पीड स्लो होती है ना तो यूट्यूब के सेटिंग में एक ऑप्शन होता है, आप लेफ्ट साइड में देखेंगे तो 3 आपको डॉट दिखेंगे, वहाँ पे जाएंगे तो आप स्पीड को कर सकते हैं। इंक्रीज डिक्रीज का भी ऑप्शन होता है, ठीक है। और लास्ट जो डिक्टेशन मैंने डाला था ना, लास्ट डिक्टेशन का पीडीएफ आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, जो दिव्यांश सर ने बना रखा है। और उसकी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड की आउटलाइंस मैंने अपने चैनल पे डाल रखी है, कल ही अपलोड किया है, तो जाके आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है वो प्लीज़ जा करके देख लीजिए। और अगर लगता है कि उसकी आउटलाइन और भी अच्छे तरीके से बनाई जा सकती है या एडवांस उसका फॉर्म हो सकता है बनाने का, तो बिल्कुल आप मुझे बना करके मेरे टेलीग्राम पे मुझे सेंड कीजिए, ताकि मुझे आपसे भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए, है ना। चलिए, without wasting our time, let's start. The dictation will be start later. 3 seconds. Sir, the honorable member referred to the fairly popular concept of donation to political souvenirs. This concept has cropped up in this house as well as in the other house on a number of occasions. I have had occasions to make the position of the government clear so far as this matter is concerned. All the legal experts who have given advice on this subject have uniformly accepted that if there is a genuine advertisement which is given on proper rates or reasonable rates, even if the rates are not entirely reasonable, then it cannot be a contravention of the law. It would depend on the kind of advertisement, the kind of journal or souvenir, and therefore taking all the circumstances into consideration, one can say whether it is a genuine advertisement or not. In that case, even if the rates are not entirely reasonable, nobody would say that it is a contravention. It will depend upon the facts of each case of donation. Uniform principles cannot apply to all cases. On the basis of the facts collected in each case, a judgment will have to be formed whether it can be regarded within the scope of the genuine advertisement or not. But I would very humbly like to say that if we are able to solve a problem today, why not solve it today, and why we should wait for tomorrow when we are able to solve it today itself. Paragraph change. So far as the second important point is concerned, I said some time back that the question of revision of the guidelines in regard to the remuneration in the companies was under the consideration of the government. The entire question of wages and income policy is under the consideration of the government. A committee has been appointed because this is a very important subject matter. I would like to say that a committee go into the matter and submit its report to the government. This is a very sensitive matter on which a decision has to be taken by the government. Paragraph change. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, the bill before the House is for the bifurcation of the present state of Bombay into two states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. According to me, this is a major political decision. We have to look at this bifurcation and creation of the new states with the background of the larger interests of the country as a whole and also the development of the two new states. I have no doubt that if it is viewed in the proper perspective, there would be no misunderstanding and doubt in the minds of the people of both the states. Paragraph change. Sir, I must admit that I am not very happy on seeing the bifurcation of the existing state of Bombay into two states. When I say so, I say it with a heavy heart, and I would like to take this house back to the era immediately after the independence of this country. I must admit that creating states only from the linguistic point of view, according to me, will start a process of undoing the work of integration which the late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did for the nation. Sir, it is not my desire now to dwell on this point any further, since the people of both the states have agreed that they should part as brothers. Para. Sir, the question as to why this bilingual state of Bombay should be bifurcated baffles me. It was only 3 years before that practically everybody in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha decided that in the interests of the country, the bilingual state was the best. But it seems that emotional integration of the people has not taken place, and therefore the leaders think that they must bow down before the will of the people. In doing so, democracy has prevailed, and the leaders should be congratulated that they have seen that what was necessary for the further development of the state had not taken place due to lack of emotional integration of the people, and they have readily agreed to the bifurcation of the state into two states. So we have conceded the request of both the regions. If we go on to the Ministry of Community Development, we talked rather pompously about letting loose a revolutionary social force in the countryside of India. We talked so much about it that it attracted world attention, and many experts came from different parts of the world to see what we are talking about. We said that we were spreading over the whole of our rural area, over 500,000 villages in India, a new economic force to build up a new life for our people. Stop. गाइज देखिए, ये डिक्टेशन यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ। इस डिक्टेशन का PDF आपको सर के चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, दिव्यांश सर के चैनल पे। और इनकी डिपिकल वर्ड की आउटलाइंस आज शाम तक मैं अपने चैनल पे अपलोड कर दूंगा। सो यू गाइज मस्ट विजिट on my channel also, and please subscribe Vishal Short Classes. Thank you so much. Keep loving, keep supporting.